In a sector requiring such extreme levels of technicality, sometimes a glitch is certain to happen, but it can result in massive havoc even if it is just mere minutes. Crypto exchange Bitfinex was down for about 2 hours. And on the other hand, the bigger shareholders of the Sandbox is in talks with investors to raise $400 million. And in a world where charades are most common to happen, there's another fake news scam that CBA warned of earlier on Wednesday. Not just this, 21 shares and ETF securities launched the world's first Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in Australia. So without any further delay, let's start with our today's feed. Earlier on Wednesday, the cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex tweeted that they were facing issues with their platform and therefore they had to halt trading. The exchange was not functioning for 2 hours from 11 UTC till 13 UTC. Bitfinex added in the tweet that they will be keeping the users updated on their status page. At 11:36 UTC, they informed that they were looking into the issue, followed by another update at 12:43 UTC that all funds are safe and they were working to restore trading activities. Another update came around 12:56 UTC when Bitfinex mentioned that they are close to solving the issue. They also stated that the users will soon be able to access the platform by 1 pm UTC. The exchange platform did not reveal the issue, however. A spokesperson from the company informed Coindex via email that a minor glitch occurred during an internal server update. It also stated, as a precautionary measure, and given that the current market conditions are not volatile, we paused trading to investigate further. The trading has now resumed. The issue on the Bitfinex platform also affected the price of Bitcoin. It surged to a high of $41,030.21 and then it fell on Coinbase, which is known as the competitor of Bitfinex. Next up, the bigger shareholder of the Sandbox is in talks with investors to raise $400 million. The company is yet to share more details regarding this round of funding. Let's find out what's happening here. On Tuesday, Bloomberg reported that the gaming company, the Sandbox, which is built on the blockchain, may be in the process of raising $400 million from new and present investors. Report says that the company has been valued at $4 billion in the round of funding. Earlier in November, Sandbox raised $93 million in a Series B round that was led by Vision Fund 2 of SoftBank. The funding was organized as the gaming company was gearing up to create a position in the world of metaverse with giant tech companies as their rival. Discussions related to the size and valuation of the company are still ongoing. There are chances of the number changing as the subject to the market changes. Animoca Brands Corp, the biggest shareholder of the Sandbox, is still in talks with investor. The gaming company is built on the Ethereum blockchain and facilitates users to buy, sell, trade, and own virtual assets in the digital world. It has a native token SAND, which is valued at $2.98 currently according to data available on CoinMarketCap. HSBC is one of its recent customers and bought a plot of land in the virtual world of Sandbox. Moving ahead now, we have some warning coming straight from the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia issued a statement on Tuesday, that is April 19th. The statement issued was informing that CBA has come across a bogus news report that the bank was cooperating with a cryptocurrency trading platform. The bogus story had been circulating on social media platforms like Facebook, claiming to be a report from the Australian Broadcasting Corporation news website. The CBO reported the scam to be relevant authorities and ordered social media publishers to take down the bogus item. According to the announcement, the CBO also claimed that the post was a planned ruse to get users to visit the scammer's website and supply personal information and money. The CBO also urged its Australian customers not to respond to or follow the link to the scam article's website if they receive it by social media or another medium, such as text message or email. And now moving towards the last segment for today. 21 shares and ETF securities partner to launch funds for the Australian market. The funds will help investors to get into the world of digital currencies. Let's find out the details. To make digital currencies more accessible to the public, crypto firms are making investment procedures easy. Recently, a Swiss-based issuer of crypto exchange trading products, 21 Share AG and top ETP provider, ETF Securities, have announced the launch of two separate funds that will provide the mass a simple, low-cost and direct access to investment in cryptocurrency. This is not the first joint venture of the companies. On December 2, 2021, the firms partner to launch Australia's first Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, and a best in class blockchain research and education center. As a part of the recent venture, EBTC ETF's 21 share Bitcoin ETF will keep an eye on the value of Bitcoin in Australian dollars, whereas EETH and ETF's 21 share Ethereum ETF will be tracking the value of Ether in Australian dollars. The funds to launch will be going live on April 27th and will be listed on CBOE Exchange. So we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, you can let us know in the comment section below. You can also join our Telegram channel for free crypto alerts. For instructions, reviews and tutorials, you can visit our blog, which is linked right below. Also, do subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.